Changing line color is a very important technique in manga or comic illustrations. This is an illustration from our recent manga project Vita's Prayer. It's a Christian historic romance manga. And this is the girl. I'm going to show you as an example how we change the line art when we do cell shading. Let's turn off the background and only look at the girl, this character. And if we zoom in close enough, you will notice the line here around the hair area. We have changed the color. It used to be black, but we have changed it to brown. The line merged into the shading is because her hair is kind of like a light color, and we don't want the color of the line to show too much, to pop out in the area of her hair. And I'm going to show you how to do this. Okay, there are 3 ways to do this. The first way is you see this layer, this is the line layer you want to change. You right click. Remember, you have to right click on the thumbnail, not on the layer name. On the thumbnail, then you click the lock transparent pixels. It's kind of like alpha lock. Yeah, you can also click this icon here, and you can paint on the area you would like to choose. I painted it in red because I want you guys to see it clearly. See? This is the first way of changing line color, but the problem with that, or it's not a problem, it's just you can only change it within the same layer. So you see, this is the same layer. If you want to create a separate layer to put the color you want to change on it, and just in case in the future you want to make some adjustment, you cannot use this method. But there are 2 other methods I'm going to show you. Method 2, and you right click and you choose, also right click on the thumbnail. You choose selection from layers, create selection. See, all the pixels of this layer are selected, which include all the lines, because this is a transparent background layer. There are only pixels on the line area. And I create another empty layer, and I want to change color on this area. I want to put new color on this area, so I just color it. See, because the selection applies to all different layers, so even if the selection was made on the line layer, I can also color it on the layer above. Then I deselect. See, this layer change has been created, and also it's in a separate layer. If I want to turn it off, I can turn it off, and if I want to change the color in the future, I can do it, which is pretty good. Also, there are a third way of doing that. This third way is most widely used. It's called clipping mask. This is the line layer, and I create a new layer, and I right click on the thumbnail of the new layer, and I choose clip to the layer below. You see there's a red bar appear in front of this layer, and that means it's clipped to the layer below. And everything you draw on this layer, only the area that's overlapping with the layer below is gonna show. Let me show you what I mean. See, I just randomly color this large area, but although no selection was made, but only the layer that's overlapping with the layer below is gonna show, which means I only colored the layer, the line area. But if you uncheck this click to the layer below, you're gonna see the area I really draw. Yeah. And let's do it. So then this way, the adjusting layer is also separate from the source layer, so you can make changes in the future. And so these are the three methods I showed you today. First, alpha lock. This way allows you to change the layer directly on the line layer. And the other two, you are allowed to create a new layer and make changes on that. And one is you make selection from the source layer and you draw on the layer above, or you just directly draw on the layer above and you set the layer above as a clipping mask, clip to the layer below. So hope this helps you guys, and thanks for watching. I am Grace, the founder of Grace Toon Studio. We create Christian faith-inspired manga art. If you are interested in our manga project, Vita's Prayer, please check the description below for more information. Thank you.